Don't explain your philosophy, embody it. Epictetus. As the day winds down, remember this. You lived today as best you could. Whether you soared or struggled, you showed up, and that's more than most. A Stoic does not chase perfection, only progress. Take a moment to reflect. What did I do well today? Where did I fall short, and what can I learn from it? Did I act with courage, wisdom, self-discipline, and justice? You cannot change today now, but you can extract its lessons and sharpen your sword for tomorrow. Life isn't about control, it's about clarity. You own your thoughts, your actions, your will. Everything else, praise, setbacks, others' opinions, is not yours to command. So rest, not in weakness, but in strength. You've survived every hard day before this, and you will rise tomorrow, clearer, calmer, and more capable than ever. When you arise in the morning, think of what a privilege it is to be alive, to think, to enjoy, to love. Marcus Aurelius.